Good evening, everybody. Today is February 10th, 2018, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Neo wallet using the open source wallet called Neon. Few things I want to get out the door before getting started. The first is, I'm not a professional, I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that, so any content you get out of here, use at your own discretion and risk. And don't consider it financial or professional advice. The second thing is, this video, I won't be talking about Neo itself because I want to focus strictly on just getting set up with a wallet. So first things first, the first thing you need to do is I recommend going to the City of Zion's GitHub. So City of Zion is an open source organization that has created the Neon wallet, and GitHub is just a website basically where engineering teams can publish and share all of their code. So the City of Zion is the organization, and this is the repository for all their code and any of the applications they've made available to the rest of the world. So once you get here, and I've got the link in the description section of this video, select the setup file that looks like what you want. So if you've got a computer that is on a Linux OS, go for this one. If you're using Mac, go for this one. If you're going for Windows, go for this one. I'm using Windows, so I'm going to go for the Windows one. So I'll click on it, and you'll see it's just downloading. And once it's done downloading, just click on it to start opening up the installation, and it'll start installing. And once it finishes installing, it'll just automatically open up the Neon wallet. You have a bunch of options. Log in using a save wallet, using an encrypted key, and so on. We're not going to be talking about any of these today. We just want to show you how to make a new wallet. So this is really user friendly because it literally says create a new wallet. So create a new wallet. So you need to create a passphrase, which is basically a password. So I'm going to go ahead and enter one now, and for demo purposes, this is the password I'm using. I recommend picking something much better and more complex than that. And then you can generate your keys. And you can see that it's processing to generate the encoded keys. Once it's done generating your keys, it'll give you your public address and your encrypted private key. It'll give you your password that obviously I just created. You can name the account and save it. It'll give you once again your public address in its full form, so not as a QR code. And this is the address where you can send and receive Neo to. So if, for example, if you want to withdraw Neo from an exchange, let's say from like Binance or KuCoin, well, the destination address you would use would be this Neo destination address. And then your private key here. This private key is what you would use if you wanted to access your Neo account. So without the private key, you're not able to access your wallet. So I'm just going to copy this private key, and I'm going to save it to Notepad. I'm just going to save it to Notepad for demonstration purposes. But the main thing here is you need to have your private key kept somewhere safe, and if you ever lost your private key, or if it ever got stolen, well, if you ever lost your private key, you'd never be able to access your wallet again. So any Neo that might be in there, you're basically locked yourself out. Okay, so I'm just saving it here in Notepad for now, and we'll just name it the wallet Kamran's Neo wallet, and I'll say save. Okay, now from here, let's exit out. And I'll show you what it looks like if I try to log back in. So search for Neon. There you go. Launch the app. Let it load. and then say login using a saved wallet. I don't know why it's grayed out, but yeah. So I enter my passphrase here, which if you remember was password 1, login, and it's decrypting it. And once I log in, I can see everything that I've got. So I've got a whopping $0 balance. So like on this computer that I'm using, I can log in with the password I made, so password 1. But you might be wondering, why is the private key important? Why does it matter? So let's say that one day this computer crashes, or my computer gets ran over by a truck or something. Just something that no longer allows me to access the Neon wallet from specifically this machine. You need a way to recover your Neo, right? So basically what you can do is you can re-download Neon wallet on another device, and you need this private key to recover your wallet on another device. So that's the importance of that. Otherwise, you can log in with your regular password. Anyways, I hope this video was useful. If you've got any questions, go ahead and ask them in the comments. And same thing if you've got any requests to see any other videos. Otherwise, thanks for your time and patience, and have a great day. Bye.